today on Dylan Likes, we are going to do another one of the Lost Origin with Scarlet and Violet. We still need to see which one is the best. Okay? So this time we're gonna start with a really good pack, Scarlet and Violet. That's the one that won last time, so going with it first. We got the basic energy force. I'm just gonna put these aside. We got the Magnemite. I don't know these new Pokemon. Ooh, Zigzagoon. That's pretty powerful. Ooh! The last evolution of one of the starter Pokemon. Pretty good, but not the best card you can pull yet. Here we got the basic energy. Ooh, that Pokemon is pretty cool. Toxicity. Ooh, Professor Research. Okay, we got the basic energy. Hypno. Ooh! So, that is Scarlet and Violet for today. And now we have the Lost Origin. Okay, here we go. Energy, Lost City. Ooh, pretty powerful Pokemon for Lost Origin for the first pack. Like always, the good luck card. That's just randomly filling. Ooh! For the rare card we got Oh, look at Raichu.